Hi, first grade friends. Welcome to today's math lesson. Today we're going to be working on Module 1, Lesson 6. Our learning target is I can find different parts in groups of 8. The materials you need are your green math books. So you're going to need the Learn book with the blue on its spine and the Practice book for the yellow, and you only need this if you are a fully remote student, okay? If you do online every day, you need the yellow one. Let's get started. So for the fully remote students, you can watch this. If you're not, you can skip to the next slide, okay? You're going to work in your yellow practice book on page 17, okay? You have another sprint to do for number bonds of 7. You can use this timer here for 90 seconds to see as many as you can do in that time. Remember, it's just to warm up our brains, but we still want to try our best. Don't worry if you don't finish them all. Now it's time for us to do our application problem. Remember, we use this as a try it, so it's okay if it's a little hard. We're just working our way through it. You can solve this problem on page 39 and 40 in your Learn book. So find page 39 and 40 in your Learn book, and you can pause it and then come back and listen to it read to you. Okay, I'm glad you're back. Here we go. Tom has 4 red cars and 3 green cars. Dave has 5 red cars and 2 green cars. Dave thinks he has more cars than Tom has. Is Dave right? Draw a picture to show how you know. Write a number bond to show each of the boys' set of cars. So I'd like you to pause the video right now, work on this problem on your own, and then when you think you're done, you can press play, and we'll look at the next slide to check your work. So now that you've finished your application problem, we're going to check our work. Tom has 4 red cars and 3 green cars. So here in my work, I didn't have different colors, and that was okay. I drew 4 cars on one side and 3 cars on the other. This helped me organize my thinking. Then I drew Dave's cars. Dave had 5 red cars, so I put the 5 here, and 2 green cars. Once I had all of my cars drawn, I could count and see how many I had. I saw 2 parts, a group of 4 and a group of 3. I knew then that I could use it to make my number bond with 4, 3, and 7. For Dave, I did the same thing. I saw a part that was 5 and a part that was 2. I put 5 and 2 together in a number bond to make the whole 7. So yes, they do have the same amount of cars. Dave was not right. He thought he had more cars than Tom. Great job, friends. What you can do now is listen to the full lesson for today. When you click on this video, you'll hear the entire lesson. Make sure that you have your dry erase board and marker with you. If you don't have this, you can simply use a paper and pencil. But you're going to be asked to draw and practice along with the teacher. Now that you've finished your concept development and listened to the lesson, you can work on your independent task. For today, that will be your problem set for lesson 6. So this is in your green math book again that has Learn on it with the blue spine. You're going to complete pages 41 and 42. You can set this 10-minute timer to work independently. Your math problem sets look like this today. Try your best, and it's okay if you don't get through them all. When you're finished, you will complete this exit ticket. This is also in your blue Learn book. You can find it on page 43. When you're done, you're going to take a picture of just your exit ticket and upload it here so your teacher can see what you learned today. Thank you so much for doing today's lesson with me. Remember, you can pause and go back and watch this video as many times as you need to help you complete your slides. Bye-bye, friends.